Hello everyone, this is question number 11. These questions belong to research methodology. A production of relationships involving theoretical constructs is known as. So here four types of hypothesis has been given, option 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to identify that which one satisfy the question statement. Question statement says that the prediction of the relationship in which we are involved, the theoretical construct, which hypothesis is called. So here we have the operational hypothesis, general hypothesis, non-directional and conceptual. In order to understand, do you know the meaning of hypothesis is what? Hypothesis is basically the condition we have taken before taking the samples and we implement our operation on that and getting the desired output. So hypothesis is basically we are getting the expected outcome. So here we already observe the what will be the expected outcome and how we can derive that outcome on the basis of the some result. So we have this result from the previous implementation, and here we are applying some hypothesis and we are assuming that we will get the expected outcome after this. So what hypothesis is that? In the operational hypothesis, in this the research defines what the variables. Here variables are basically what which we have used in our research method, in our research, in order to get the expected outcome. So variable is basically what in which you have applied your research objectives. So operational hypothesis in research defines what the variables of interest are and how the different variables are related to each other. So this is the meaning of operational hypothesis. Here, in order to understand non-directional hypothesis, we must know what is the meaning of directional hypothesis. So in directional hypothesis, we are basically we are doing the prediction. For the next move, we have the prediction, and the direction is going in positive way and negative way both. We have a direction, either the taken of the variables can takes us in the positive way or in the negative way, and we have to find out the difference between the two variables is what. Here taking the one variable, here taking the two variables, and what is the difference parameter of these two variables, and whether by taking these variable our research is going to be in the positive way or negative way. This comes under in the directional hypothesis. Non-directional hypothesis is directly opposite of it. When it comes to the conceptual hypothesis is the, we can say, educational guess. We can say here we are guessing the outcome, or we can say the prediction, how variables relate to each other. So in order to answer this question, the most satisfied options for this question will be option number 4. Here we have the conceptual hypothesis, which is generally meaning of the prediction and the relationship involving between the variables. So the correct option for this question will be option number 4.